Here's how to turn images into videos using Pixverse AI. It's a free AI tool for creating stunning videos without technical skills. It supports text to video, image to video, and upscaling videos up to 4K. It's available both through web and Discord platforms. Visit the Pixverse AI website and choose to get started, either via the web application or the Discord server. Log in with Google or Discord to access the tool. You can click on the popular videos tab, where you can see videos created by other users. Click on videos to view details like prompt, image source, and settings. If you want to recreate or modify a video, click the Go Create button to copy the settings into your workspace and edit them. If you want to turn an image into a video, click the Image to Video tab and upload an image you want to animate. You can either upload a file from your system or choose an image from previously uploaded assets. Optionally describe how you want your image to move in the prompt section, adjust the motion settings, max value is 1, and specify a seed number for consistency animation. Now press create and wait for the video to generate. If you're not satisfied with the video, tweak the settings and retry. You can see all of your creations in the My Videos tab. Like videos to add them to your collections for easy access later. The more detailed your prompt, the better the AI can interpret and generate relevant visuals. You can use negative prompts to remove unwanted elements from your videos. If you want similar results across multiple videos, use the same seed number. In image to video generation, play around with the motion strength to achieve more fluid or stable movements. If your prompt is too general, the AI may not generate accurate or engaging videos. Use different seed numbers for each generation if you want varied results. Adding too many layers of customization at once, motion strength, negative prompts, etc., might result in unwanted outcomes. Adjust one setting at a time to observe its impact on the final product. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.